You connect your Crua monitor and everything on the screen looks normal, but there is absolutely no sound coming through. Videos may play without audio, games suddenly feel silent, or your monitor speakers stay quiet even when the volume appears turned up. In some situations, the monitor works perfectly for display, but sound still comes from another device without you noticing. This issue usually happens because of incorrect audio output settings, muted monitor controls, loose HDMI connections, or sound being routed somewhere else by the computer. Many users think the monitor itself has a problem, but in most cases, a few setting adjustments can restore audio quickly. Before changing cables repeatedly or trying random fixes, these are the steps you can try to fix this and bring sound back on your Crua monitor properly. Number 1. Open the monitor settings menu and make sure volume is raised while mute is switched off. 2. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable firmly on both the monitor and computer side. 3. Go into computer sound settings and select the Crua monitor as the audio playback device. Number 4. Restart both the monitor and computer after changing sound preferences. 5. Play a video or audio file and check if sound starts coming through the monitor speakers again.